So one of my quarantine hobbies has been crafting. Specifically jewelry making, because if I'm going to take the time to make something, I either want to be able to eat it or wear it. Exhibit A, B, C, D, E. You get it, right? Okay. So I have been obsessed with the pearl trend ever since it hit the runways about 3 years ago, and luckily for me, it's still going strong. So today, I'm gonna combine something that I love with something that I need, and the craft I'm showing you how to make is the chicest pearl beaded chain for your face mask. This will prevent your mask from falling off when you take it off the minute you are finally alone, and it will keep it nearby for when you need it again. I bought real freshwater pearls to make mine. Spoiler alert, they're only about $6 a strand. Overall, this costs under $20 to make, and once you buy all of the tools and finishing pieces, you'll have enough left over to make a few more, just plus the cost of a few additional beads. Trust me, all of your friends are going to be placing orders at your virtual Etsy shop as soon as they see yours. It is so chic. So follow me into my crafting corner and I'll show you how it's done, because I have a crafting corner now. You're going to need beading wire, crimping beads, some plain gold beads, lobster clasps, a crimping tool, a pair of small scissors, some pearl beads. I like the freshwater kind because the shape is really pretty. And of course, a mask of your choice. This one's from Skims and it's really comfy. Okay, step 1. Take the beading wire and pull it as long as you think you would like your lanyard to be on your body, but give yourself a little bit extra and cut it. Next, you're going to attach your clasp. Here's our clasp. So what we're going to do is string it through, just like that. Now you're gonna need to get yourself a crimping bead. The crimping beads are super, super tiny, and that is what holds the clasp to the beading wire. Now, you're gonna take this tiny little crimping bead and string it all the way through to the end. Here where the clasp is, and we have this string looped, the crimping bead goes over the excess. Now you're gonna grab your crimping tool. So this special tool pinches the crimping bead and holds it in place. Now a little trick here is you wanna make sure that the wires are flat and not twisted. Now is the fun part. Right before I start with my beads of choice, which today are pearls, I'm gonna put one gold-plated bead right at the end. It's super tiny, but it's just a nice little finishing point that makes it look very professional. So now I'm going to show you how to finish it off. So you're going to need everything that you needed in the beginning to attach the lobster clasp, and we're going to do that same pattern again, except now we're going to do it reverse. Now we're going to grab the end of the string and you're going to pull it all the way, and we are going to pinch the crimping bead closed to secure our piece of jewelry. And last but not least, we're going to attach our mask.